Good morning, students. Today, now we are discuss SCP. SCP means single cell protein. More than 25% of people, more than 25% of people suffering from, more than 25% of people suffering from hunger and malnutrition. Hunger and malnutrition. More than 25% of people suffering from hunger and malnutrition. In this condition, alternate source of protein for animals and human being is called SCP. In this condition, alternate source of protein for animal and human being. Animal and human being is called SCP. SCP, single cell protein, is called SCP. More than 25% of people suffering from hunger and malnutrition. In this condition, alternate source of proteins for animals and human beings. This condition is called SCP. Okay. Microbes are produced in industrial. Large amount of microbes are produced into industrial product. Right. Microbes are produced into large amount of microbes are produced in industrial scale product. Industrial production. Large amount of microbes are produced in industrial. Okay, microbes like as algae, fungi, bacteria. These are used to SCP production. Microbes are used to industrial production. Microbes like as algae, fungi, bacteria. These are used to SCP production, single cell protein production. Okay. Some various type of algae. First one, Spirulina maxima. Spirulina maxima. This Spirulina maxima is used to produce the SCP. Next, second one, Chlorella pyrenoidosa. This also used to produce the SCP. Next, Centesmus utilis acutus. Centesmus acutus. Algae type. This also used to produce the SCP. Next, some fungi type of used to produce the SCP. First one, Candida utilis. Candida fungi. Candida utilis. Candida utilis fungi is used to produce the SCP. Next, Saccharomycetes cerevisiae. Saccharomycetes cerevisiae. The Saccharomycetes cerevisiae also used to produce the SCP. Next, Chaetomium cellulolyticum. Chaetomium cellulolyticum. This also used to produce the SCP. Next, some bacteria. Some bacteria are used to produce the SCP. First one, Bravely bacteria. bacterium. This Bravely bacteria is used to produce the SCP. Next, Methylotrophus and Methylophilus. Methylotrophus and Methylophilus. These are used to produce the SCP. Okay. Next, suppose for example, Spirulina maxima. Spirulina algae is produced. These algae grow in sewage water or wastewater. Okay, the spirulina is growing wastewater and molasses and straw means endogaddi and human being manure, animals manure and produce large quantities of the nutrition. Okay, this Spirulina maxima algae, these are growing wastewater, molasses, straw, endogaddi, animal manure and sewage water, municipal water, sewage water, and produce large quantities of nutrition. Such nutrition are proteins, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals and fats. This Spirulina maxima, these algae grow in wastewater and molasses and straw, animal manure, sewage water and potato processing plant also grow in potato processing plant and this is produced to large quantities of the nutrition. In these nutritions are contained proteins, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals and fats. Okay, fats. Next, 250 kgs of cow. One calculation. 250 kgs of cow produce 200 grams of protein. One simple calculation. 250 kgs of cow produce 200 grams of protein every day, per day. Next, 250 kgs of cow produced 200 grams, only 200 grams protein per day. Next, 250 grams of microbes like as Methylophilus and Methylotrophus, Methylophilus and Methylophilus and Methylotrophus produce 250 grams of Methylophilus and Methylotrophus are produced to 25 tons of nutrition or protein. Okay. Next, mushrooms are eaten by human being. Mushrooms. These mushrooms are eaten by human being. Human being. Large scale mushrooms are produced in industries. These large scale of mushrooms are produced in industries. Okay, this is SCP, single cell protein.